Have you ever found yourself stumbling in a negotiation, wishing you had better tactics or clearer strategies? The Art of Negotiation by Michael Wheeler provides a compelling roadmap for anyone looking to excel at negotiating. Wheeler demonstrates that negotiation is not a scripted event, but a fluid process requiring quick thinking, flexibility, and creativity. This enlightening book received 4 stars on Goodreads, praised for teaching readers powerful methods to handle uncertainty, build strategic rapport, and confidently close advantageous deals. By mastering these tactics, you'll approach any negotiation with confidence and achieve consistently better outcomes. If you like this summary, don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for additional book recommendations with similar insights at the end. The Art of Negotiation by Michael Wheeler. Embrace uncertainty and stay agile. Negotiation is fluid, not fixed. Negotiation isn't predictable. Circumstances constantly evolve. Imagine you're negotiating the purchase of a home. Initially, the deal seems perfect, but suddenly, inspection reveals unexpected repairs. Rather than panic, skilled negotiators adapt swiftly, using new information to leverage a price adjustment or seller concessions. Wheeler emphasizes that negotiation is dynamic, requiring real-time adaptation to maintain advantage. Mental agility and decision-making. Great negotiators are mentally agile, quickly processing new information and altering strategies on the fly. Suppose you're negotiating a job offer, and the company suddenly adds conditions you hadn't anticipated. Quickly reassessing your options, you counter-propose creatively instead of becoming stuck. Wheeler stresses the importance of remaining mentally sharp to recognize emerging opportunities and avoid costly missteps. Power of preparation and your batna. Preparation involves understanding your batna, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Your batna is your safety net, giving you leverage and confidence. For instance, when negotiating salary, your batna might be another job offer you've already secured. This knowledge prevents desperation, empowering you to negotiate strongly, knowing you have attractive alternatives if negotiations stall. Identifying risks and opportunities. Every negotiation carries risks and hidden opportunities. Imagine you're negotiating a major business partnership, and the other party unexpectedly shows openness to collaboration beyond your initial proposal. Recognizing this chance instantly, you suggest expanding the deal, increasing mutual benefits significantly. Wheeler teaches negotiators to identify and leverage opportunities quickly, turning uncertainty into advantage. Bit to remember: negotiation is unpredictable. Your greatest strength lies in flexibility, mental agility, and effective preparation. Build rapport and genuine influence. Establish real connections. Effective negotiation relies heavily on building authentic relationships. Consider negotiating with a difficult client. Rather than jumping straight into business, you engage sincerely, ask meaningful questions, and show genuine interest. This rapport establishes trust, making discussions smoother and more productive. Wheeler insists genuine connections form the foundation for effective negotiations. Master nonverbal communication. Nonverbal signals strongly impact negotiations. Suppose you confidently maintain eye contact, offer firm handshakes, and display open body language during important business meetings. Such signals convey confidence and credibility. Conversely, observing your counterpart's nonverbal cues, like hesitation or discomfort, allows you to adjust your strategy accordingly, enhancing your influence significantly. Strategic listening and influence. Negotiation isn't only about speaking, it's about strategic listening. Imagine negotiating a real estate deal. Through attentive listening, you discover the seller urgently needs cash. Knowing this, you creatively structure a faster cash payment in exchange for a price reduction, benefiting both parties. Wheeler highlights that skilled listening uncovers critical information, enhancing your ability to influence outcomes. Influence, without pressure. Negotiation power isn't about pushing others into agreements. It's about guiding them to mutually beneficial outcomes. Consider negotiating vacation schedules at work. Rather than insisting rigidly, you present a collaborative plan that clearly shows mutual advantages. This cooperative approach gains voluntary support rather than grudging compliance, building stronger long-term relationships. Bit to remember: rapport, effective nonverbal communication, strategic listening, and ethical persuasion build trust and create lasting negotiation success. Tactical mastery in negotiation. Anchoring effectively. Anchoring means setting the initial terms firmly, shaping perceptions. Suppose you're selling your car worth around $15,000. By starting negotiations at $17,500, you anchor higher expectations. Even after concessions, the final agreement remains closer to your desired price. Wheeler explains that skillful anchoring sets expectations advantageously from the start, giving you strategic leverage. Framing for impact. Framing involves presenting your offers appealingly, aligned with your counterpart's interests. Imagine negotiating a raise. Rather than focusing on personal gains, you highlight your contributions to team successes, projects completed, and added responsibilities. By clearly framing the offer from your manager's viewpoint, acceptance becomes easier, more appealing, and justified. Strategically managing concessions. Negotiations often require concessions, but they must be strategic. Imagine negotiating a software contract. You agree to slightly reduce the initial price only if the client commits to a longer-term deal. This reciprocal concession benefits both sides. Wheeler advises that every concession should serve a clear purpose, maintaining negotiation control and maximizing value. Effectively handling deadlocks. Deadlocks are common, but expert negotiators find creative ways to overcome them. Suppose you're buying a house and negotiations stall on price. Instead of stalemating, you creatively suggest that the seller include certain appliances or make necessary repairs. Wheeler emphasizes creative solutions and reframing the discussion, turning stalled negotiations into successful agreements. Bit to remember: tactical mastery, anchoring, framing, strategic concessions, and creative problem-solving turns difficult negotiations into clear victories. Successfully closing and learning from negotiations. Recognize the right moment to close. Effective closers recognize clear signs indicating readiness to finalize agreements. Imagine negotiating contract terms, and your counterpart's tone shifts positively, making concessions smoothly. Quickly recognizing this optimal moment allows you to confidently close the deal before circumstances change, ensuring favorable outcomes. Accurately document agreements. Clear documentation avoids misunderstandings. Suppose you reach a verbal agreement in a partnership negotiation. Immediately documenting specifics ensures both sides clearly understand obligations, reducing future conflicts, and maintaining a healthy ongoing partnership. Reflective learning from experience. Each negotiation offers lessons. Wheeler emphasizes reflecting post-negotiation. After a sales negotiation, you assess what went well and identify improvements, like communicating more clearly or better, recognizing leverage points. This reflection sharpens future strategies. continuously enhancing your negotiation skills. Commitment to lifelong negotiation mastery. Negotiation is a lifelong skill. Continuous learning, reading books, attending workshops, and practicing regularly ensures consistent improvement. Imagine a sales professional constantly refining negotiation tactics through ongoing study and practice, improving outcomes throughout their career. Bit to remember: closing decisively, documenting clearly, continuous reflection, and lifelong learning transform negotiations into lasting professional success. If you enjoyed this summary, check out these insightful negotiation books. Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Getting to Yes by Roger Fisher and William Ury. Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. Bargaining for Advantage by G. Richard Schell. Crucial Conversations by Carrie Patterson. Negotiation Genius by Deepak Malhotra and Max Bazerman.